here I have Honor X7, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So firstly, what you have to do is to open Files application, which you have pre-installed on your device, so you can easily transfer images, videos, documents, audios, applications, and archives. So let's transfer, for example, some image. So let's transfer this one. Let's transfer this one. So then select if you want to copy this image or if you want to move it. So let's copy it. Then select memory card. Then select folder where you want to copy this image. For me, it could be pictures. And then confirm it. And now we can find this image not only like in images section by going to the memory card, pictures, and here is our image. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.